Alright, y'all, we're finally back in the shop. Took a little time off over the holidays, so I was being lazy, to be honest with you. But yeah, we're back. Now got the laptop, got the GoPros charged up, so we're gonna pull the head off this bad boy and see what kind of damage we got. Here we go. Alright, well, not sure when the camera shut off, but we have our carnage. Did drop a valve. So yeah, without further ado, cylinder looks okay. Top is nicked up though. It's really rough right here and right here, which is where the valve's dropped at. So I don't know if that's something we can have fixed or not.
curious on that. I mean, it is at the top of the stroke where it doesn't look like really, I mean, according to that cylinder, nothing really going on there. Although, yeah, it does come all the way up. But so why is all the cylinders have kind of a not so smooth top to them there? But yeah, there's that. And then if you come down and look at the head, here's the exhaust valve that got absolutely annihilated. I don't even know if I can get that out. And here's the intake valve that is also bent. So I don't know what the process is for redoming that cylinder, or if it's even worth it. And also not sure if it's worth saving this block. So yeah, I'll guess I'll have them looked at. I'll probably tear this down further, have them looked at, and see what's what.